KU.
KU.
K-State.
Baker.
K-State. K-State. KU. KU.
KU.
KU. Neither. I'd have to go with soda if you made me choose.
Coffee.
I don't drink either of those. Soda.
Coffee.
Ooh. Coffee?
Oh, soda. Dr. Pepper.
Coffee. Coffee. Oh, that's probably soda, but I love my coffee too. Coffee.
Soda.
Water.
Funny students.
Funny.
Funny students.
Funny.
Funny. Well, they think they're funny.
Funny. Funny. Funny. Funny students. Oh, funny.
Funny students.
Funny. Oh, hybrid, I guess. Ooh. Hybrid? Hybrid.
Online.
Online.
Online. Online.
Hybrid.
Hybrid / in person. Hybrid. Online.
Ugh. Hybrid.
Yes. Basketball.
I hate this one. Baseball.
Baseball. Basketball. 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 KU basketball. Basketball. Baseball.
Basketball.
Basketball.
Night.
Night.
Morning.
Night.
Morning.
Night. Morning. Night. Night. Morning.
Night.
Night. Netflix.
Netflix.
Oh God, Netflix. 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 Netflix.
Netflix.
Netflix?
Netflix.
Netflix. Netflix.
YouTube.
The first candidate for Winter Homecoming King is Matthews Abebe. Matthews participates in Scholars Bowl and previously participated in debate, forensics, the musical, and Cat's Care. Matthews plans to go to KU to take courses that will lead him to dental school so he can pursue his dream career as a dentist. His goal is to open his own dental clinic that is accessible and affordable to those who cannot have the luxury of having insured dental care. The first candidate for Winter Homecoming Queen is Ella Box. Ella participates in varsity softball, Cat's Care, the Eudora Votek CNA program, photography club, A&B honor roll, principal's honor roll, prom committee, and is a 2-year National Honor Society member. Ella plans to attend Kansas State University in the fall and major in nursing with a minor in business or Spanish. She wants to work as a pediatric oncology nurse and help make a difference in as many lives as she can. The next candidate for Winter Homecoming King is Mason Heitman. Mason participates in baseball, Scholars Bowl, and Cat's Care. Mason will be attending the University of Iowa on the pre-pharmacy track in the hope to become a pharmacist. The next candidate for Winter Homecoming Queen is Jenna Doran. Jenna participates in varsity tennis, A&M crew, and AB honor roll. Jenna plans to attend Kansas State University to study interior design with a minor in business in hopes of having her own renovation and design business in the future. The next candidate for Winter Homecoming King is Wyatt Knoll. Wyatt participates in the honor roll, basketball, and football. Wyatt plans to attend KU and study exercise science. The next candidate for Winter Homecoming Queen is Haley Henderson. Haley participates in varsity volleyball, varsity basketball, varsity track, and prom committee. Haley was also a basketball sub-state champion in 2020 and a state track qualifier in 2019. Haley is still deciding whether to run track in college, but otherwise planning on going to college at the University of Kansas and pursuing interior decorating and real estate. The final candidate for Winter Homecoming King is Dane Pretty. Dane has been a 4-year member of the Wildcat basketball team and has also competed in jumping events for track and field. Dane plans to attend Kansas State University and pursue a degree in veterinary medicine. The final candidate for Winter Homecoming Queen is Hallie Scott. Hallie participates in National Honor Society, A&M Crew, Avid Tutoring, Varsity Soccer, Principal's Honor Roll, and has received her academic letter. Hallie is also the Senior Secretary, a Pep Club Executive Leader, and a state medalist for varsity soccer. She will be attending Kansas State University in the fall and will be majoring in marketing with 2 minors in business and leadership studies.
Hey, I just want to say thank you to Mr. Yarbrough for helping me so much with calc and really putting in extra time to help me understand it. Thank you.
A teacher that I'm really thankful for is Mr. Roby, because we started this new AVID program this year and it's been pretty difficult having to do everything online, but he's been amazing at getting all the students involved and making sure that we can make it the best that we possibly can. And overall, he's just a really great support system and a teacher to have.
I would like to thank Mr. Cook for being such a great teacher this year. He's been very helpful to everybody during online school, and he's very good at teaching, and he makes his class fun.
I want to give a special thanks to CK for making stagecraft pretty fun and not actually boring with, Corona and things happening like that.
Shout out to Mr. Hamilton for making his classes as enjoyable online as they were in person while also effectively coaching a competitive Scholars Bowl team. Thank you, Mr. Hamilton.
I just want to give a shout out to Miss Mazurko because she does so much for our school, and as a math teacher, she is absolutely phenomenal and such an inspiring leader and individual in our school.
Hey DeSoto, I just wanted to send a quick shout out to Coach King for always having multiple workouts available. That way every student can actively participate in weights.
I would like to give my shout out to Miss Mayer, Elaine Mayer. She's an English teacher and she's a very understanding. She's always nice to her students. She's very kind, and I appreciate her and everything she does for me and her students. And yeah.
I would like to appreciate Miss Pennybucker for the teacher appreciation video, because of how communicative she is and how she always is getting back to us as soon as she can, and how she's always pretty good with our grades.
Hi, I would like to compliment Mr. Yarbrough for him always being willing to help us out with problems, whatever they are, and he also always goes out of his way to help us be successful in this class. So, thank you.
I would like to give a big thanks to Mr. Murphy because he has remained passionate and dedicated throughout the year and is excited and determined for us to learn.
My name's Ella, and I just want to give a quick thank you to Coach Woolry, or some of you may know her as Miss Woolry. I appreciate all you do for me, the softball team, and just the kids at DeSoto in general, and just want to let you know that your positivity does not go unnoticed.
Hey DHS, I just wanted to give a big thank you to Mr. Stabey. He always reminds us what's important and always to keep going. And I really appreciate how he takes time out of class just to check in on us and make sure that we're doing okay. Thank you, Mr. Stabey, and we really appreciate you.
DeSoto, so I just want to give a quick shout out to my first semester teachers for doing such a great job keeping their students engaged no matter what the learning environment has been. And I'm very excited for second semester and what it will bring.